Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that unravels the mysteries of memory and learning. Have you ever pondered how your brain stores and retrieves information? Today we'll be exploring the intricate processes that occur within your brain, specifically, the strengthening of connections between neurons, which is known as long-term potentiation, or LTPA. The more you travel between the cities, the wider and smoother the road connecting them becomes, making your journey easier each time. Similarly, in your brain, the connections between neurons strengthen each time you recall a memory or learn something new. This phenomenon is known as long-term potentiation or LTPA. The creation of these new synapses results in the growth of dendritic spines, which are small protrusions on neurons that receive signals from other neurons. These proteins play a vital role in strengthening the connections between neurons and ensuring the stability of newly formed synapses. It leads to changes in the composition and number of neurotransmitter receptors, as well as the release and uptake of neurotransmitters. These modifications fine-tune the communication between neurons, enhancing the efficiency of information processing. As these dendritic spines become more numerous and larger in size, they form more extensive networks, facilitating the storage and retrieval of memories. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Let's get started. Your support and engagement help us continue creating quality content. Thank you for watching. Until next time. By strengthening the connections between neurons, LTPA allows for more efficient communication within our brain, leading to improved cognitive performance. Understanding LTPA provides valuable insights into how our brain adapts and changes in response to experiences, and it highlights the incredible plasticity of our nervous system. When you learn something new, like a language or a skill, your brain fires a specific pattern of neurons. It achieves this by altering the number of neurotransmitters released by one neuron and the number of receptors on the next neuron. By doing so, LTPA enhances the efficiency of information transfer between neurons, allowing for faster and more effective communication within your brain. The more you practice and repeat this process, the stronger the connection between these neurons becomes. This means that the next time you need to use that information, your brain can access it more quickly and efficiently. Imagine your brain as a vast network of roads connecting different cities. During LTPA, your brain essentially creates new memories by forging stronger connections between neurons. Now let's explore how LTPA shapes your brain. LTPA plays a crucial role in shaping your brain by modifying the strength of connections between neurons. Moreover, LTPA contributes to the formation of new synapses, which are the gaps between neurons. Furthermore, LTPA influences the production of new proteins and the modification of existing ones, which are essential for the growth and maintenance of synapses. Finally, LTPA affects the structure and function of the synapses themselves. In conclusion, long-term potentiation is a remarkable process that underpins our ability to learn and remember. If you found this video informative, please don't hesitate to share it with others who might find it useful.